Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable voice typing in a Microsoft Office or Google Docs or any online form that you want to create. So here, if you decide to use voice typing on your system on Windows 11, for example, you have to enable the voice typing first by click on search and you can type voice. Here you can find under settings voice typing. You can click it. And here you can prepare your hardware first. You can set your microphone first. You can plug it into your PC or your laptop, for example, if your laptop doesn't have a built-in microphone. And here, after you set up your microphone, you can see there's a voice typing option. Dictate text with your voice. Press the Windows logo key on your keyboard plus H, or select the microphone button on the touch keyboard to dictate text anytime you are in the text box. So also you can try to turn this on, Windows speech recognition. And here we go, the first access, you can try to turn this on, but the first thing to do, you have to plug your microphone first, install the driver, and make sure your microphone is enabled on your system, readable on device manager. After that, you can hold logo Windows key plus H in order to enable the voice typing. Here we go, there is an icon. Here we go, to use voice typing, select text box, then try again. Or you can go to your Microsoft Word or Microsoft Office. You can find the voice typing there, the option. And this, for example, in a Google Docs, you can click on menus. You can try to search voice typing, or you can start voice typing by hold Ctrl plus Shift plus S. And here we go, this is the voice typing. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click text button below. See you in the next video.